we have in here ice-water mixture, and we're going to quench our unreacted aluminum chloride with that ice-water mixture, and I better do it in the hood based on that demonstration we saw earlier. It's a dangerous mixture. So we're going to take this off, take this off, take this to the hood, and this could get a little dangerous, so I'll put it up here. And I anticipate some, yeah, I see some fumes coming out. I don't know if they'll show up in the video. Quenching is getting rid of the unreacted aluminum chloride. Try not to pour the spinner in there. And there we go. And we have a mixture here. I need you to grab the stopper from the top of the pressure equalized dropping funnel at the far end of the bench. I need the stopper off of that thing. Here comes the stopper. Now, remember all those times you used a conical vial and shake vent? Well, this is the large scale version of the same thing. I need to shake and vent this. So I hold it like this, shake, 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 and vent, and you heard a lot of vapors escaping there. That's why it's important to vent. Shake, 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 vent. I have memories of doing this in graduate school every day, multiple times a day. Standard equipment here. Separatory funnel. Okay. And I think we're supposed to do something about pH next, aren't we?
Because here the top aqueous layer was dash and the organic layer was dash.
Oh, colors. We got a little green to the top. Definitely a dark burgundy down there. And we're going to test the layers for pH. Test the top layer for pH. Got stirring rod. Should be very acidic with all that HCl we generated. And the color scheme here says we're definitely 1, closer to 1 than 2, I think. Yeah. So we're going to add sodium hydroxide. We may add as much as 10 mils, but I don't know if it will be 10 mils. What I'm going to do is pour 10 mils and use some of it. And then what I don't use, I'll subtract. And we need to bring the pH close to neutral. Close to neutral. So I'm going to give it a good slug, as they say. I went about 6 already. It was bold. It's bold. Shake, shake, shake. Colors changed a little. The green is gone. The green must have had to do with an acidic complex with aluminum. And now it's not as acidic, so that complex is gone. And if we're lucky, we're going to have layers, dark burgundy, no, light burgundy. And I need this Erlenmeyer. Dichloromethane is the bottom layer. It'll have all of our organic chemicals in it. The top layer's got the inorganic chemicals, the polar ones. And because this is not a pressure equalized dropping funnel, I have to take the lid off. I never checked the pH. Check the pH. In the past, when we've got to 7, we get a little bit of an emulsion here. Ooh. We got to about 10, didn't we? I think I was a little too bold on the administration of sodium hydroxide. We'll see if we got away with it. And we're going to drop out the bottom layer. That's the dichloromethane. And I see a little bit of an emulsion in the interface here. Hopefully we get rid of that after we do our dichloromethane washes. I don't want that emulsion in there if I can avoid it. We're going to add about 40 milliliters of dichloromethane. The burgundy color is actually our product. Acetylferrocene is a burgundy, and diacetylferrocene is a darker burgundy. So my water layer still has some of that color to it. Shake, shake, shake. Vent. Oh, a little messy. Let's see. This is our second extraction. And get the bottom layer with that other bottom layer. And while we're doing that, there we go. See how there's oil drops in there? That's an indicator of an emulsion. It's not ideal. It means there's some water trapped in with our organics. Our sodium sulfate will take care of that, but we're going to need a lot of it. And that's probably because I overshot the pH to 10. So I'm going to get quite a bit of an emulsion down there. And one last extraction, hopefully not as much of an emulsion. And a lot less burgundy down there. While I'm waiting for those layers to separate, she can hit pause.